Okay, here we are. We're going to do something a little different today. I had a bad rim on the truck, so we're going to replace it with a new one. Just got it in from FedEx. Let's take a look, see if it fits on the rim. Let's see if it works on it. Ew. Looks good. Okay, so now we're going to take this one, try it on the rim first, on the trailer first. Let's get the jack. Hub. And it does. Cool beans. Let's get this out of the way. Get our FedEx box out of the way. Let's go put a little bit of water in this. Okay, so the way not to put a tire on a rim. Don't know. Never done it like this before. Let's see. All right, we'll put this one on first. Put a little bit of soapy water on this. We're working here. Limited faculties here.